Sorry. Hey, check that out. See it? That's pretty sweet. Oh, sorry. Forgot to tell you something. Hello, everyone. This is Rocket Jet Maychang. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Go ahead. Marjay! Don't want to scare the neighbors. Ooh, that's going to look nice. So, I got a little bit of time on my hands. So, one thing I didn't get to do yesterday, see if I can, do this. I don't know if I can do this. Do what? Do this. So you cut some branches off this. So you need to spray it. Everybody wants a black tree. There you go. It's just, it helps the tree. I know you're probably wondering, why are you spraying the tree black? Because I wanted to. No. Because it helps the tree, that's why. They really should be cut back more, but screw it. If I have to do it later, I'll do it later. Hello, bird feeder that never has any bird seed in it. Alright, that'll do. That'll do when you got Scooby-Doo on your poo. No. Oh, there's one's open. Chirp, chirp. Chirpy, chirpy, chirp, chirp. Alright, that's it, everyone. If you like this video, put your fingers in the water. No. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Good evening. And please watch my previous video. Hey, you didn't see the green door, by the way. Meant to show you that before. Not too long ago, my dad had redid the door. And Mom wanted it painted green, so we got a green door. It's gonna be neat around Christmas time. So, but that's it. That is it. That's all. That's it for today. And take care and burp. Nope, not burping. Oh well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. Purple. Did someone say purple? Okay. Whoa. I didn't want to do that. That'd be too much purple. You didn't see that. Didn't see what? That's exactly what I said. You didn't see that. Oh, yeah, you saw it, huh? You did? You did? Okay, then you did. Good job. Well, I don't know. I know that somebody likes purple. And you can leave a comment, say, I like purple! And then I'll say, cool! So, same deal. So, a little bit. Don't get too carried away. I mean, obviously, you're not going to see the purple all the time. You'll see a little bit. Now, I now know what you're going to say. Why are you using purple? Because I felt like it. That's why. So this is for those who like purple. And I thought that would be a neat color to use, personally. See, I'm not going to use too much. I'm just going to use just a little bit. Just a little bit. Wiggling. Just a little bit. So, who's painting? Who's the painting guy? It's the rabbit next door. Hippity hoppity hippity hoo, hippity hitty hitty hoo, ho 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 ho, hee hee, ha ha ha. So, that's it. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. I'll do some in the middle. So if you have any other suggestions of any colors of the sort, let me know what you think. Now, what I probably am doing Just very, very carefully once I take the cardboard off. No, this is not staying on here. This comes right off. So once I'm done and this dries, I'll take that off and very, very carefully I'll add more colors to it. Normally I would do the colors in the background first and put the other colors around it. This time I thought I would try a little challenge. Now, you've seen, if you look at my old videos, you will see my, fine, I'll just show you now. And I'll end this. So you've got AC/DC. And then you got POD. So if you have old satellite dishes and they don't work anymore and you have the room, just think of something cool. It doesn't have to be STARSET satellite. It could be anything you want. I mean, it could be your name. It could be your sweetheart's name. It could be anything. Originally, I was going to say Margie, but I didn't know you at the time. So, that's honest truth. I mean, but that's what I decided to do. I don't know. I'm going to let that dry like I did before. I mean, I let the red dry a little bit, leave the little purple dry a little bit. And that looks pretty awesome right now. But blue would be good. You're absolutely right. Whoever said blue, you got it. Electric blue. So you got it. And a dark blue? All right, maybe. Well, we'll see. All right, that's it. Keep your satellite dishes going or don't. And just paint until your heart consent and say, so what?